Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys will be super helpful video guys to any of you that have a BMW Z4 guys and you're trying to find where the sensor switch is located for your radiator fan. Many of you asked us in the comment section below guys where that's located, and some of you may not know, but it's actually the same switch that has been used in BMW Z4, BMW 5 Series, 3 Series and BMW 1 Series as well guys. We'll explain where it's located. Quick introduction to the channel: every single car we get at the shop we make guys at least 200 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys, so we can keep providing that free information. Now if you need to buy a new switch, okay, for your fan, replacement fan, parts, tools, we're going to share the link in the description of the video below. Check it out guys, we do that for your convenience. So what do we have right here now? Okay, we have the front end taken apart on that BMW guys, and we're going to show you. You're going to have your radiators right here, but with everything removed we can actually show you guys where that switch is located that controls the radiator fan. Why you need that switch? Because okay, let's say the coolant temperature, okay, in the engine get hot, okay, and it get hotter and hotter guys, which means that the radiator will get hotter and that fan needs to know when to turn on. On some cars, okay, the radiator fan is controlled by the coolant temperature sensor only, but on BMW, okay, BMW has another sensor that detects the temperature of the radiator guys, that Z4 model, and as a result, okay, when the radiator gets cool enough it tells the fan to turn off. And where that sensor is located, okay, it's located guys on the outlet, okay, on the lower hose, actually on the lower hose of the radiator on the passenger side of the vehicle. So this is, you can see, the N52 6-cylinder engine. Even if you have a different engine, the procedure should be about the same guys. You come to this side right here, check it out, okay, that hose will connect to the radiator. This is your coolant temperature sensor. If you need to remove it guys, all you have to do, press in here, pull out, and now when you remove it, you can do it on the car without taking anything apart, but you have to drain your cooling system guys. And if you want to see how to drain the cooling system, we have a video on BMW 3 Series, okay, and you can find that on our, okay, excuse me, our main channel, How to Repair guys. Check it out guys, we have a video there that explains how to do that. Also we have helped more than 67 million people so far guys. So once you drain your coolant, okay, this is your sensor. You have two things that you need to squish and you pull it out, okay, and it comes out guys. This is the switch for the radiator fan. Now something else guys, later when you replace it, make sure you install new seal here. The new sensor comes with a new seal. You have to bleed the cooling system the correct way on that Z4, and we have a video on the channel that explains guys, okay, how to do that, because if you don't bleed the cooling system on your BMW you can overheat your engine and that can cost you a new engine guys. The procedure is not very complicated, and actually the car is built, it has a built-in procedure for bleeding the cooling system, and we have a video that explains how to activate it, okay, and you can see that on BMW E90. This is the 3 Series BMW on How to Repair guys. So hopefully the video will be helpful guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos and see you guys next time.